All right, welcome. This is the next lesson. This one is when we are in 2 and 5. When we are in 2 and 5 in the 6-2 system. So notice when we're in 2 and 5, first of all, we have totally rotated. So I told you in the first video, always go setter, outside, middle. Setter, outside, middle. That is the serving order. Setter, outside, middle. So when we rotate, everybody's rotating one. I'm going to put my libero in for my middle. Okay, everybody has rotated one. I got my right side hitter in. So notice our outside is now serving. Okay, so they have the ball. It looks like this. Remember, your middle's here. We're in between. That's what it should look like when our outside is serving. Our right side player is in between. Our outside hitter serves the ball over. Right side's going to their base. Outside preferably should not go this direction because now you're in the way of the play along this way. But anyway, we're in our base. That's on serve. But when we're in serve receive, this is our serving order. Our serving order literally looks like this. This is our serving order, okay? So notice opposites, middles and middles, setters, outsides. They're opposite of each other, always opposite, okay? So because our setter is in middle back, we're trying to get our setters closest to their pocket as they can because they need to be in position to set the ball. So this is the serve where you're going to hear your coach say, push the other setter up, or setter's on the net, or something like that. And so the setter's pushing this setter up, okay? We want this middle pretty close to their attacking spot. This setter, as long as the setter's in front of this right side hitter, and as long as the setter is to the left of this outside, they're legal. So they can be pretty much right about here. Because that setter needs to be in front of this person, or I'm sorry, and behind this person and a little bit to the left of this person. Because I'll go back and show you this again. Because right now, again, this is their corresponding right side player. And this is their corresponding front row player. So I'm pushing this player up. The middle's going to come over here. The middle can't overlap, so this right side player cannot overlap. See how the right side players cannot overlap each other? So that middle needs to get kind of as close as they can to their middle attacking position. The setter can keep coming over here, and they don't want to overlap this person to the right or be in front of this person. So we still need 3 primary passers. So notice what else we're going to do is the libero is going to be over here, and this outside hitter is going to be shifting back. Notice this was the libero's corresponding front row player was this person. So when they shift, when we shift them back, that outside person needs to be just a tad bit in front. Tad bit in front. That's legal. Legal, legal, legal. Okay. They'll call this in high school. They'll call you out of rotation error. They won't call this in rec league, but they'll call this at the high school level. Okay, and so this, guys, is what our rotation should look like in serve receive 2 and 5. In 2 and 5, the setter's pushing up the other setter. The setter's pretty much in their pocket. That middle hitter wants to be as close as they can to their attacking spot, which is here, but they cannot overlap that person, okay? And then once the ball, so here's the serve, we're on serve receive, the ball comes over, this person's serving, the ball comes over, it goes, let's just say to the lib. As that ball's coming over, we're tracking it, the middle's shifting over, this setter's just taking a step up, this person's going to their right side, outside's shifting up, we pass, set, hit, and then we all go to our base. And remember, this outside player just got done serving. So this outside hitter, their base is the front row. So this outside hitter should be going to their base, setter's back in their base, everybody's in their base, libero's playing deep back. This is rotation serve receive 2 and 5. When you hear 2 and 5, everybody should know where to go. 2 and 5. Watch again. What does it look like? 2 and 5. This is where their setters are stacking on the net. Yeah. And one more. Kind of like that. Yep. 2 and 5. Setters are stacking on the net. Setters pushing up. Does that make sense? Okay. Hope you enjoyed it. How long was this one? 5 minutes. I'm getting better. Bye-bye.